Practical ways to lower your car expenses and save thousands. Owning a car comes with many expenses, some of which can significantly dent your finances. However, you can reduce these costs by taking proactive steps. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to lower your car expenses and save thousands. With the following advice, your vehicle will remain a convenient, financially manageable asset. Maintain your car's interior and exterior. Regular maintenance of your car's interior and exterior can prevent costly repairs down the line. On the exterior, protect the paint and finish to preserve the car's value. Avoid common pressure washing mistakes like using an overly high pressure setting, which can strip off the paint or sealant. For the interior, regular cleaning and conditioning of seats and other surfaces can prevent wear and tear, keeping the car in good condition for longer periods. Look for cheaper car insurance. Insurance premiums can vary widely among providers. Dedicate time to shop around and compare rates from different insurance companies. Consider leveraging online comparison tools to find the best deal that covers your needs. Additionally, inquire about any discounts you might be eligible for, such as safe driver discounts or multi-policy discounts, to further reduce your premiums. Lower your car expenses? High interest rates on car loans can increase your total car expenses. If possible, pay off your car loan early to save on interest payments. Alternatively, refinancing your car loan can be a smart move if you can secure a lower interest rate. Doing so will reduce your monthly payments and the overall interest you pay over the life of the loan. Use the manufacturer's recommended fuel type. Using the fuel type that your car's manufacturer recommends can improve efficiency and prolong your engine's life. While it may tempt you to choose a cheaper fuel option, using the wrong type can result in reduced performance and costly engine damage. Consider downsizing to a less expensive vehicle. If your current vehicle is a financial strain, consider downsizing to a less expensive model. This could mean opting for a car with better fuel efficiency, lower insurance costs, and reduced maintenance expenses. Improve your credit score. A good credit score can positively impact your car-related expenses, particularly when financing or refinancing a vehicle. Focus on paying bills on time, reducing debt, and checking your credit report regularly for errors to improve your score. A higher credit score can lead to better loan terms and interest rates, saving you money over time. These practical ways to lower your car expenses and save thousands will enhance your vehicle's longevity and performance. They'll help you save money on significant expenses like car insurance and monthly vehicle payments. So you should consider putting this advice into practice.